Hi everyone. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this SmallRig. It's a wireless display for phones and tablets, so you can use your back camera, the better one, and still see what you're doing instead of just guessing. Let me get you a close-up of this box. And it's just called a SmallRig. Here's some model numbers of the one I have. And let's see, let's get this thing open. Some manuals. What that is. It's a quick start. Well, it comes with a little wireless remote. And a little mount for it. Let's have a base. There's the, I don't know if you can see, can't really see there. The power switch, and then brighter, darker, I suppose the screen contrast or brightness, and a C USB for power. Oh, and it's got, yeah, here, there's a little C to C, not very long. And this, you can thread on the bottom, I guess, and then put it on the hot shoe of a camera, or for the phones at least, no, the tablet would be, yeah, for phones, this is supposed to be a magnet here that will stick to the back of your phone, so that you're basically looking at the back of your phone like you would your front. We'll be back in a few with the actual setup. As promised, we're going to go do this SmallRig review, monitoring system for your phones or tablets. And I'm going to show you how to get it up and running on at least an iPhone 15 here. It's simple once you know what you're doing, but it took me a while. So first thing we got to do is power on the rig. Just hold on for a couple seconds till it comes on. And let's see, yeah, you can see that, okay. And then I got to take my iPhone and go to your QR reader. And then you just scan that. And then, let me see, I guess I gotta try and get this so you can see everything, hopefully. Right here, I guess. Then I get out of here, and then it doesn't work on Bluetooth. It's on your network. You go to settings and the Wi-Fi, and then it'll locate it. There it is, the SmallRig monitor. You click on that, and then once that's turned on, you can get out of here. And then on the iPhone, you go to the very top right corner and swipe down. Oh, right page, wrong thing. And you see your screen and screen, or your mirroring. This is how you can also link up to your TV and watch whatever you might have videos on your phone on your big screen. Click on that. I don't think it took. There we go. Oh, and then you have to select SmallRig Monitor. And yep, it's going. So swipe off of there, back to your thing, and now you can see it's mirroring whatever is on the phone. So let's get to camera. This is just the regular backside of the camera. So now you can see as I'm moving, and it's staying, it's only a split second behind for a while. So I kind of apologize if this video takes a little longer, because I just used it to monitor. There's a new one I got in just a couple days ago. Old RCA W033A. And it's following really good right now. I want to actually so you could get it down here so maybe you can see. That's what I need to do, I guess. Oh, I got my hand in the way. So and I don't know if it's takes like 3-4 minutes. But then my lathe video that I put out a few days ago, there was a 7-second delay, which if you just count on the monitor was terrible. You know, you end up having to hold things longer and edit out stuff. And then I just did an unboxing that'll probably be included in this, because I had a 28-second delay and a 34-second delay. I mean, and that's just 7 seconds was horrific. I can't even imagine. Wonder if that will. I don't think that should matter. It's just a monitor. Oh, there. See, there's the delay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 8 seconds that time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll zoom in way over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 to where I am right now. Back over to the front of the camera here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So continually, progressively gets a little, because that last one I went from 28 and then it jumped to 34 when I moved it. So, well, there, I'm happy it finally did it. You people can see, I'm not crazy, which a lot of people will still dispute that. But the delay is just, this is horrendous with this delay. So, well, like I said, I might try one other one. If I get the same results, I'll maybe try and contact the company. I mean, I'm more than happy to work with them. Maybe they can, maybe some kind of update. Maybe I got to do an update. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Let's say about 11 that time, huh? Go all white here, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So pretty consistent there around there. I don't know. It varies though. So Jeff here at the Project Bench. If you like this, hit like and subscribe. Always appreciate you watching. Any comments, you guys that maybe own this, can maybe let me know. Maybe I just have a bad one, or maybe you can tell me what update software you're using. You know, those 5.6.23.17 numbers that they can't just, you know, use numbers all the way to 1,000,000 instead of all these points. I appreciate hearing from you if you have a much better experience than this than I have. Thanks again.